I recently received my TMC2130s from AliExpress. Anyway, these are quite easy because you just pop them in and they already have the pins going up and down. So all you have to do is make sure you've got the direction correctly. Just have a look at the enable and the ground labeling and just pop it in. I was inspired by Tom's video on how to install the TMC2130, and I thought it would be hard, but actually it's not that hard. So what I did was, I see those connected pins over there, that's used for the LCD. So I used Tom's video and I took these DuPont connectors, took the plastic covering off, and then I just soldered them straight on top of the LCD connector. You can see I'm soldering those DuPont connectors straight on top of the LCD connector. Just have a look at Tom's video, he's got nice pictures on where they go. It's really not hard. Then I used the little breadboard to connect the pins into. Next I used some more female to male DuPont connectors and connected them onto the TMC2130s, and then on the other side just plug them into the little breadboard. For the X and Y select, I only used X and Y in my project. I chose the pin 4 and 5. Next I went into the Arduino and go to the config advanced. What we do next is find the section of our TMC2130s. Tom has a very good video on this as well. All you do is you uncomment this section here. You can also change the steps if you want, but for this, in this example I just kept it on 16. And then scrolling a bit more down, I just tell it my X and Y is TMC2130s. Keep the current as is, the steps as is, and then I enabled the debug function. So if you scroll down a little bit more, there's a define TMC debug. So uncomment that section as well. In the pins ramps section, you can go and select which pins will be your XCS and YCS connectors. So scroll down until you find CS, and in my case I changed the CS for X to 4 and for Y to 5. I tried to compile and then I got this funky error, so that told me I needed to install my TMC2130 library. Just go to the manage libraries and search for TMC2130, and then it's very easy to just click there and then click install and you're done. So now I can compile. This time I was successful. It is actually much easier to install the TMC2130s than I thought it would be, and it does make a huge difference to the noise levels. So give it a go. It's really not too hard, and these Chinese versions do work. I don't think they're the best, but they do work. So if you like this video, click on like and subscribe. Thank you.